Imagine a future where advanced artificial intelligence holds the key to more successful breast cancer treatments. That future is arriving faster than you might think. SOPHiA Genetics, a prominent company known for its expertise in cloud-based healthcare technology, has revealed an exciting expansion of its alliance with leading pharmaceutical giant AstraZeneca. The heart of this collaboration? Harnessing the power of sophisticated AI systems to drive better outcomes for breast cancer patients. But here's where it gets truly groundbreaking. These innovations are not just theoretical. They're designed to change how doctors make critical decisions in real-world settings. Let's unpack what's happening. SOPHiA Genetics brings to the table its specialized AI factories, which are cutting-edge platforms fueled by some of the most varied and diverse data collected in modern medicine. These factories use a blend of clinical, genomic, and imaging data to create powerful AI models capable of predicting how a patient might respond to particular treatments. AstraZeneca, seeking to enhance its own development of new cancer therapies, will now use these platforms to peek even deeper into what really works in breast cancer care, focusing especially on the nuances of real-life patient responses in both Europe and North America. What sets this collaboration apart is not only its technological ambition, but also its scale and scope. The multi-year effort aims to develop a tailored predictive model that could assist clinicians in selecting the best therapies for each person fighting breast cancer. This could mean faster recoveries, fewer side effects, and ultimately more lives saved. And this is the part most people miss. With more healthcare systems around the world adopting such federated analytics, where data is analyzed securely across institutions rather than sharing raw data, the collaboration can drive insights while keeping patient privacy at the forefront. Yet, some experts argue about whether AI can ever fully replace the nuanced expertise of a human oncologist. What do you think? Muken, president of SOPHiA Genetics, emphasizes the company's drive to make healthcare data safe, versatile, and actionable on a global scale. We're thrilled to strengthen our partnership with AstraZeneca, he shares, highlighting how this joint endeavor underlines the surging interest in reliable and scalable AI solutions for real-world healthcare problems. Meanwhile, Jorge Reis-Filho, Chief AI and Data Scientist at AstraZeneca, points to a core goal: blending diverse sets of data to generate a more complete picture of how breast cancer develops and how a patient might respond to different treatments. This level of detail could help craft highly personalized therapies, something that might have seemed like science fiction just a decade ago. With SOPHiA Genetics at the technological helm, the partnership makes a bold statement about the future of medical innovation. The company continues its mission to make precision, data-driven medicine accessible to more patients globally. Their DDM platform, for example, lets hospitals and labs unlock immediate and actionable insights from complex biological data. Here's a point for debate. While digital tools like those from SOPHiA Genetics show enormous promise, they are labeled for research use only and are not standard for every diagnostic procedure. This has led to lively discussion among medical professionals about the actual pace of adoption in everyday clinics. Will regulations and skepticism delay the arrival of this future? A word of caution. Forward-looking statements from companies in this arena naturally involve uncertainty. Their optimism for future breakthroughs is clear, but unexpected challenges could always arise, and outcomes may differ from initial projections. What's your take? Do you believe AI really holds the answer to revolutionizing cancer care? Or are there unforeseen pitfalls ahead? We want to hear from you. Do you welcome the increasing role of AI in personalizing cancer treatment? Or do you have concerns? Share your thoughts and let the conversation begin.